Do I?
Can you mix the Reese's with the bowl of rice?
I do.
I'll do it.
I'm gonna take a spoonful of sausage and rice, and I'm gonna take a Reese's.
That sounds good.
Good shit.
These make funny fart noises and Saber die.
I can't swallow my food.
I kill a guy by farting.
It was funny, dude. It caught me off guard.
That's what Sawyer does. He does it all the time. All he does is make fart noises.
That's funny.
He goes, "Ee," and he laughs. Oh my god.
Look what you did, Joe. You made it even funnier.
Oh shit, I almost dropped it.
Oh, frick, dude.
Sawyer, that is your like little autism quirk though. Like you do that all the time. Like out of nowhere. Like,
It's a comfort thing.
yeah.
It's my tick. Can't help it.
You fucking fart tick.
You just walk around in real life and just go.
He goes, yeah, he does that all the time. I'm serious. I'm sitting here. Most of the time, it's like silence. He goes, eh.
It's too quiet. I gotta break the silence of that. I don't know what else to do. Just...
Fucking autism. Now you're gonna be self-conscious of it. Every time you do it, you're gonna be like, oh man, I did it.
You're not supposed to notice. Oh.